this is the first place in America that opened up a ramen shop. So there you go. So imagine this place closed down, Chinatown, Los Angeles, and we just throw a party.
Nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Whoa, chemo, stop it, chopper, had to call the audit. Then the whoa, chemo, stop it, chopper, aim it at your noggin. Had to call the audit. Then the chopper, had to chop it. Nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Whoa, chemo, stop it, chopper, had to call the audit. Then the whoa, chemo, stop it, chopper, aim it at your noggin. Had to call the audit. Then the chopper, had to chop it.
So today we're in for a treat. We're heading into Chinatown for a block party. But before we do that, we're gonna keep it Oriental, grab ourselves a bite to eat here at Little Tokyo. Japanese Village Plaza is, I'm pretty sure, the name you can find here on Google Maps, but Little Tokyo. So we're gonna make our way through here. Needs Cheetos, radish, girl dress outfit. This is so right behind me. Before we head off to this block party, we're actually gonna step back in time and the future. What do I mean by that? First, we're stepping back into the future because right behind me is actually the first ramen shop in America. So we're gonna try that out. And what do I mean by the future? Well, we gotta go inside to find that out. But let's check it out. So first of all, to even look at the menu, you gotta scan, and it's not just looking at the menu online, but I'm gonna pay for it online. So I'm gonna go for some of these Nikudango meatballs. Add that, and obviously I'm gonna go for the ramen because this is the first place in America that opened up a ramen shop. So there you go, ramen noodles. What are we gonna do? Shio ramen, miso, Popeye ramen. Popeye ramen with spinach, matsu ramen, spicy. Oh, you already got me with the spicy. Spicy food. Some kimchi ramen. Oh, I think I'd rather go for that. Kimchi has a lot of health benefits. But they are known for just their normal ramen. So I'm gonna go with the spicy one, matsu ramen. Add that, get my drink. Save the alcohol for later. I'm gonna get Gonna get hydrated. Green tea or Perrier? I'll go for Perrier. View my order. So my order is ready for the 10% tip, and we're gonna place the order. So the order is in, and we are in business. Here goes some sides. Figure out what's that later. And here's the kitchen area. So yeah, that's what's futuristic, is that robot delivers you the food. Check it out. So we got the meatballs right here, steaming up. They look sweet. Gotta keep it traditional with the chopsticks. They're really sweet, and it has a bit of a crunch, not too much, just enough. And the chive that they season it with is awesome, combined with this sweet sauce that I think has a little hint of soy sauce. Is amazing. Amazing, right? Well, here goes my ramen, matsu ramen, I believe it was. Has a little spice to it. It's nice and hot. Got some tofu, looks like, in there. Can't remember the ingredients, but we're gonna add some of these spices here and condiments and see how this tastes. And some more spice, because your boy loves it, if you haven't noticed yet. Really hot. Spice level is up there too. And we are in Chinatown. Check it out. Right at the entrance. Welcome to my hostel downtown LA.
I'll bring some tea down there in a second. Okay, lockers are here if you need a locker.
Cool.
The locks will fit on the small ones, but not on the really big, like the
okay.
green ones they don't fit on, but
Okay.
you can use the small ones. And then there's more lockers in the back right there next to that right there. And then
Okay.
keep your bike back there, just because there's no one by there, like where the other bike is.
Just right next to it? Okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
cool. I mean, we have cameras and stuff, so you don't have to like lock it up, and no one's like just gonna like walk out with the bike.
Yeah, right.
And then upstairs is the mezzanine, which is just like a dining area. It's a dining
Cool.
table. There's two couches and a little work desk.
Cool. Yeah, I'm really just gonna be like in and out.
Okay.
It actually already started. So.
Okay, so I've got that bed,
Uh-huh.
and I've got these two beds.
This one's fine. It's kind of like dark, yeah. The
Yeah.
light's not hitting
Cool.
it. Yeah,
Cool.
that's fine. Is there any
no, you good. You
any
can keep-
protocol for this one?
Outlets are here if you need it. Lamps here.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone real
Right,
quick.
outlets and USB ports. You can keep your luggage
Cool.
underneath there, just on the
Yeah.
thing. Other than that, you're all cool.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Cool.
Thank you. This is cool, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool hostel. Thank
Cool.
you. Appreciate
Ron.
it.
Ron, by the way.
Christian, yeah. Well, you already know. Thank you. I'll return that lock if you're not here in the morning.
Oh, you should by the desk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. And we are here. This is what the QR code?
Yeah, I just need to see your ID.
Oh. I already showed you mine. I have a drink. That's the first thing.
Later. Eventually.
Let's go.
Much later.
Beautiful event that we're out here tonight sharing this energy. Make some noise for all the love we feel in this room tonight.
Chinatown block party looks like. She getting down, she getting down, she getting down. Yeah. So there's an epic Bruce Lee statue right here, and I've been to Chinatowns in sheesh. I've been to the original Chinatown in San Francisco, Chinatown in Mexico City, Dominican Republic, Mexicali. Obviously, we're here in LA multiple times. Oregon, New York. Am I missing one? I'm probably missing some. But there's no other Chinatown with the Bruce Lee statue right here. And so this is a block party and we're throwing it right here. You gotta twist it.
12 o'clock midnight.
Slow down right now. We're going all the way.
Yo, tell these niggas to step their passport up. Local jokers.